Hello, today I'm going to show you how to fix the Enter Network Credentials prompt on Windows 10. This message usually appears when you try to access shared files, folders, or printers on another device over the network. It can be caused by incorrect login details, network settings, or sharing permissions, but it's easy to troubleshoot. Let's get started. Step 1, check your username and password. Make sure your username and password are typed correctly. Pay attention to uppercase/lowercase letters and special characters. Step 2, change password protection settings to open the Start menu and type Control Panel. Set View by Large Icons. Select Network and Sharing Center. Click Change Advanced Sharing Settings. Expand all networks. Turn password protected sharing to off. Save changes and try connecting again. Step 3, adjust local security policy. Open the Start menu, type Local Security Policy, and open it. In the left panel, expand Local Policies, click on Security Options. Find Accounts, limit local account use of blank passwords. Double-click it and set it to Enabled. Click Apply and then OK. Step 4, reset network settings. Open Settings via Start menu. Go to Network and Internet. Click Advanced Network Settings. Under More Settings, select Network Reset. Click Reset now. Before clicking Yes, ensure you have your Wi-Fi password available, as your PC will restart and require reconnection. Once reset is complete, restart your computer. That's it. Your issue with incorrect network credentials in Windows should now be fixed. Thank you for following along. If this tutorial helped you, feel free to share it. See you in the next guide.